Hi everybody, it's Rachel here, and for today's Science Sunday, I am going to be showing you how to make a bouncy egg. That's right, an egg that will bounce. So to do this experiment, first of all, you're going to need some patience because you're going to need to take a raw egg and take a cup and submerge that raw egg in vinegar for 1 to 3 days. So there's no immediate result with this experiment, but after a few days it is pretty fun to see what happens. So I had my egg here submerged in some vinegar, some apple cider vinegar, and I also had a spoon over it just to make sure the egg was pressed down and completely submerged, and it's been sitting in here for 3 days now, okay? And if you want to come a little bit closer, if I take my egg out, you will see that it's kind of squishy. See how it's squishy like this? And it's kind of shedding too. So the reason that this happens is because the vinegar and the eggshell have a chemical reaction, and it's kind of similar to when you mix vinegar with baking soda, you know, to make like a homemade volcano. It's the same type of thing, only on a much smaller scale, but that's why you saw in here all those little bubbles, okay? So those bubbles are the reaction that is dissolving the eggshell until only the membrane of the egg is left. And you'll know your egg is ready when, first of all, it's kind of squishy, and also when it becomes kind of translucent, okay? So anyways, and you can see when I just rub gently with my finger, what's left of that eggshell is coming off. So anyways, once that eggshell is dissolved, the vinegar actually makes the membrane of the egg that is left tougher, and that is what allows the egg to become bouncy. Now, this is a bouncy egg, but I warn you, it is not as bouncy as a bouncy ball is going to be. I'm going to rinse it off here in the sink a little bit. And you can see, as I rinse it here, more of that coming off. I'm not going to do the whole thing because it'll just take a few minutes. I just want you guys to get the idea that our egg has become nice and translucent. You can see it on the inside. And then I'm going to just bounce this egg a couple of times real softly. Bounce, bounce, bounce. But the egg is not going to bounce very high, so we're going to play a little game here. We're going to see how high I can get the egg to bounce before it splats. All right, so prepare for a little bit of a mess if you're going to do this. I got a little bounce. Oh, didn't take much, did it? Splat, and there's our bouncy egg, and you can see this, what's left over of it. So now I have a messy egg to clean up, but that is the experiment of the bouncy egg. All right, thanks for joining me for Science Sunday. I'll see you guys next time.